Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Accounts Tips. Today I am going to discuss the same ratio analysis, current ratio, but this is a statement type of questions, and then you find out this current ratio is based on this situation. This current ratio is improve, reduce or not change. So this question, current ratio of a company is 2:1. State giving reasons which of the following would improve, reduce or not change the ratio. Some business situations are given in the questions. Based on this situations, how this current ratio of a company would improve, reduce or not change. That reason also you have to write. So this type of questions you can expect in your board examination. Many times this reasoning type questions asked for 3 marks. So I am going to show you how to solve this type of problems. Then in this question, first item or first reason we have to find is in the situation of repayment of a current liability. Repayment of a current liability. The current liabilities repayment time, how it will affect the current ratio of a company. Here current ratio given 2:1. Then this repayment of a current liability will improve or reduce or not change this 2:1 ratio of a company. That we have to find out. So how we can find out? The value is also not given. Then current assets, current liabilities values are also not given in the questions. So which value or in which way we can solve or find out the solution for this type of questions. Then in such questions, it is better to assume amount of current assets and current liabilities. Amount of current assets and current liabilities we are assuming. Okay, so here current ratio given, that is 2:1. Current ratio given in the question, current ratio is equal to 2:1. So the amount of current assets and current liabilities you assume. For getting this 2:1, any values you assume. Then current asset, suppose current asset is 20,000 and current liabilities 10,000. These values are based on our assumptions. So 20,000 divided by 10,000, we will get a 2:1, or 2 lakh divided by 1 lakh, you will get a 2:1. So based on this current ratio, our first step is assuming the amount of current assets and current liabilities. Okay, then based on this assumed current assets and current liabilities, we solve this situations. Then the first situation, repayment of a current liability. At the time of repaying the current liabilities, suppose amount is not given, then you assume 5,000 rupees is the current liability. That current liability we paid off. Then how it will affect the current ratio? This is the present current ratio, that is 2:1. Then after the payment of this 5,000 current liabilities, how it will affect the current ratio 2:1. So this assumed value of this current liability, we apply to this assumed amounts of this current assets and current liabilities at the time of repayment of a current liability. Repayment of a current liability. That time our cash goes out. Cash goes out means current asset reduce. And liability payoff. Liability payoff means current liability payoff means current liability also decreasing. So both current assets and current liabilities are decreasing. So this 5,000, our assumed value we apply to the amount of this assumed amounts of this current assets and current liabilities. Then current asset 20,000. Then at the time of payment of current liability, suppose 5,000 rupees, then that much of cash goes out from the business. Then 20,000 minus 5,000, that is 15,000. After the repayment of this current liability, current asset is reduced to 15,000. Then next current liability. Then current liability 10,000. Then this 5,000 current liability payoff means our current liabilities total reduced. That is 10,000 minus 5,000, that is 5,000. 5,000. Then this is the new current asset and current liabilities after repayment of a current liability. Then calculate new current ratio. Then current ratio is equal to this 15,000 divided by 5,000. 15,000 divided by 5,000, that is 3:1. 3:1. Before the payment of this current liability, the company's current ratio was 2:1. After the repayment of a current liability, then current ratio is 3:1. So that means current ratio is improved. So in this first situation, repayment of a current liability, that improves our current ratio. So answer is this: after the repayment of a current liability, our current ratio would improve.